So this is Realme Buds, and I know it reminds you of AirPods, but that's how the internet is treating this device right now, comparing it with something which is not right. This thing costs around 4,000, and talking about AirPods, well, they cost you around 15,000. So we cannot compare this with AirPods, even though if this device is as close as that. And really, my only aim in this video is to give you guys some info about this Buds and not comparing it with the AirPods. And if you're up for that, well, let's do this. So first impression about this Buds is the case. I mean, by no means it looks bad, but by no means it looks premium too. I mean, it's a clone of AirPods, we all know that. But the thing is, Realme has used some kind of a cheap quality plastic here. So there are three things you will notice in the case. First being the charging port, which is USB Type-C. Second being the pairing button, and third being the indicator. And plastic is not that great, but still for 4,000 you cannot look for more. So Buds itself is covered with sensors like all over the place, which is good actually. It detects and acts pretty fast. So talking about the Buds itself, like, as case is not the problem here because the size is just perfect, like you can take it anywhere. These Buds have this stem kind of design, you know, that round type of thing going on here. They look cheap, like you will feel that I'm holding a product which is just giving me what I paid for. That type of feeling. I mean, the size of Buds, it's perfect. It will fit to your ears very nicely and will stay long. By the way, I was feeling pain especially after wearing it like for 2 hours straight. So yeah, make sure. So if you are a hardcore listener, well, you will need to charge this thing like once in 2 days, which is absolutely amazing. I usually listen to songs like all day, so you get the idea. Battery life is good here. Like they're claiming 3 hours of listening. In my test, it lasted 2 hours very easily. So yeah, battery department is too damn good here. And you have wireless charging too. And just like AirPods, when charging is low, one of the earbuds will get disconnected automatically, which is great as it will give you the indication that your Buds needs charging. And talking about sound quality, well, it's too good for the price. I mean, it's very good. It will shock you, but there is too much loudness. I mean, which can only disturb you. And as I'm coming back from AirPods, what a coincidence, right? Like there is not at all a noise reduction in this Buds, but I will not complain a lot because of the price. Like for 4,000, this is the best you can get. And as soon as you will open the case, well, straight away it will connect, which is damn good, like less than in 5 seconds. But to get that 5-second pairing, you need to pair this thing up, for which you need to hold this key like for few seconds, and after that, voila. Moving on, as this Buds work in both the platform Apple as well as Android, you should know one thing. Android users have some kind of a benefit here, like they can customize the controls. But still, whatever you have, you can use with your Apple phone also. Like you can do multiple things while wearing this Buds, like double tap to pause, triple tap to change the song. Like here I tested pause and play feature by double tapping. You can see the response, it's like damn good. So if you are on an Android, well, there is an app called Realme Link. Through this app, you can actually control what you want to do with the taps. Like in double tap, you want to change the song or you want to call Google Assistant. You get the idea, but unfortunately this app until now is not on iOS, so you guys are stuck just like me. And there is another feature which is gimmicky, you know, named as gaming mode, which is absolutely rubbish. I mean, it does nothing. I don't know about other reviews, but for me, it was just a gimmick. Well, there you have it, Realme Buds. It came in limelight just because of AirPods. We all started to compare it with AirPods, which is absolutely not right. If we keep this device under consideration, well, for 4,000, what you get is amazing. Like call quality, it's good. Sound quality, top notch. Build quality, it's good. And size, we all know it's perfect. And yeah, battery life is great too. So what are you missing? Well, what are you missing is just that Apple sign and other tiny things. But other than that, if you have 4,000 in your pocket, this Buds can make you happy. I hope you liked this short little video about this Buds. And again, I'm AJ and I'm signing off. Bye bye.